Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality do follow profile backlink. And another thing, this site is highly dedicated for the profile creation things. So if you guys will create your backlink on this site, create your profile on this site, then your profile should be going to index, and this site is high authoritative and high quality. Okay, so the website name is q.me, and according to HREF, so domain rating is 73, and according to Moj, but I exceeded search limit, so you guys will check on your system for this website. And according to C ranking, this website drawing 1.1k monthly traffic, and the mostly traffic from Philippines, South Africa, India, Thailand, Vietnam and another country. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you wanting to increase crawlability, audience, traffic source, brand building from that kind of country, then must you guys will create your profile backlink on this site. And already we discussed, this site is highly dedicated for the profile creation, so you guys can consider. Okay, so the website name is coach.me. And before this started, if you are new on this channel, so please you can hit the subscribe and like button. So simply you guys will see there is there is a login dashboard. So simply you can click on the sign up button, and there you guys will add your username, and you guys will choose your password, and after that your display name and your email ID, and you can acknowledge the terms and condition, and after that you can click on the sign up button. So once you guys will create your backlink, so there is no need to, you can verify your profile. So you can click on the please log in, you can click on the login button. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable Dofollow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. And you'll see our profile is created. So simply you can click on the setting button, and you will see from there if you can change your username, either your name. So you can click on the profile section. There you can add your website URL and your location. So there you can choose your profile picture, and this is your headline. So in the headline you can add your main targeted keyword. Suppose that top interview management system and the jobma. So this is I'm using for my meta title, so I'm also consider for their tagline. And after that you can click on the save button. So you guys will see we have created our profile, and there is another option to, if you wanting to connect your Facebook, Twitter, so you can use this method. But the thing is you can log in through this Gmail ID, your social account, and this is another things if you wanting, so you can customize. Either we have created our profile, and you will see there is 2 to 3 questions. So if you wanting, so you can reply according to your niche, and if you possible, so you can insert your backlink on these replies as well. And you can click on, after once you guys will complete your all the things, so you can click on the profile button, and you will see this is your profile landing page URL, and this is your website. And I will show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys will see it's a 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So let me show you in incognito. So this is a instant approved backlink or not. So you guys will see it's a 100% do follow back instant approved backlink. So this is the process for the backlinking on this site. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button. because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay yaar, bye bye and take care.